Hello my dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss MCQ for SGP subject. Question number 1. In a circuit breaker, the current in a pole at the instant of initiation of arc is known as breaking current. So our answer is breaking current. Question number 2. Breaking capacity of a circuit breaker is usually expressed in terms of MVA. So जो circuit breaker है उसका जो breaking capacity है which is expressed in terms of the MVA. Question number 3. The making current of a circuit breaker is normally specified in terms of peak value. We may say as a maximum value. Now question number 4, important questions. The breaking capacity of three-phase circuit breaker in MVA is given by √3 multiplication of rated service voltage kilowatt multiplication rated symmetrical breaking current kiloampere. So our answer is option D. Question number 5. Important question this one. A three-phase circuit breaker is rated at 5000 MVA 11 kV. So find its making current. So we have one equation, making current is equal to 2.55 multiplication of symmetrical breaking current. So first of all we have to find out the symmetrical breaking current. So we have one equation, breaking capacity MVA is equal to √3 multiplication of rated voltage in kV multiplication of rated current in kiloampere. Okay, based on that we have to find out the value of current, and once we find out the value of that one, then after we have to put in above equations, that means multiplication of 2.55 करना है. Based on that we got the answer of making current. So our answer is option C, 67 kiloampere. Now question number 6. A three-phase circuit breaker is rated as 630 ampere 1000 MVA 33 kV. Its symmetrical breaking current will be. So already we discussed symmetrical breaking current का equations क्या है. So symmetrical breaking current is equal to MVA divided by √3 multiplication of rated voltage in kilowatt. Okay, this value we have to put out, and based on that we got the answer 17.5 kiloampere. Question number 7. Compared to the breaking capacity of circuit breaker, its making capacity is more. Because we have one equation, we have to remember these equations. Making capacity, we may say that MC is equal to 2.55 BC. Okay, MC that means what? Making capacity, and BC that means what? Breaking capacity. So MC and BC का relations क्या है? MC is equal to 2.55 multiplication of BC. So obviously making capacity जो है 2.55 greater than है as compared to the breaking capacity. So our answer is option C, more. Now question number 8. The making the breaking current ratio for an EHV circuit breaker is more than 1. Now question number 9. For high voltage AC circuit breakers, the rated short circuit current is passed for 1 second. Important questions. Question number 10. The arc voltage in a circuit breaker is in the phase with the arc current. Now question number 11. The normal power frequency RMS voltage that appears across the breaker terminals after final arc existence is called recovery voltage. Now question number 12. The recovery voltage will be maximum for power factor of 0 lagging. So our answer is option B. Now question number 13. The transient voltage. Transient voltage, that means that voltage which is very short time of the period. So that voltage which is known as a transient voltage. So the transient voltage that appears across the contacts of circuit breaker at the instant of arc existence is known as restriking voltage. Now question number 14. The power factor of the arc in circuit breaker is always unity. This one is important. Now question number 15. The rate of rise of restriking voltage depends upon the inductance and capacitance of the system. Okay, so rate of rise of restriking voltage, that means ट्रिपल आरवी RRRV. सो वो फुल फॉर्म भी एग्जाम में आ सकता है, रेट ऑफ राइज ऑफ रिस्ट्राइकिंग वोल्टेज. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 16, इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस. इफ inductance and capacitance of a power system are represented by 1 Henry and 0.01 microfarad and instantaneous value of interrupted current is 10 ampere, then the voltage across the breaker contact will be. So our answer is 100 kilowatt. But कैसे आया? मैंने इधर इक्वेशंस लिख दिया हुआ है. Voltage is equal to I in under root of L divided by C. We have to put all the value and based on that we can find out the value of the voltage. Now question number 17. The maximum value of restriking voltage in a circuit breaker in terms of the system voltage will be 2 times of the normal peak. Now question number 18. It is difficult to interrupt a capacitive circuit because the restriking voltage can be high. Now question number 19. In a circuit breaker, the active recovery voltage depends upon the all of the above. That means it is depends on the power factor, armature reactions and circuit conditions also. Now question number 20. A fault is more served from the viewpoint of triple RV if it is a line fault. So our answer is short.